everyone, it's Michelle and Jed of Intentional Travelers.
Today we're going to share 5 reasons of why you should add the little-known destination of Cuenca, Ecuador to your travel list and why it's one of our favorite places to visit.
We'll also share 3 must-do recommendations if you are able to visit this hidden gem in South America.
So Cuenca is a city located in the southern part of Ecuador along the Andes mountain range. It's a charming city with beautiful colonial buildings that features a giant cathedral at the heart of the city.
Here are some reasons why we love the city.
The first thing we love about Cuenca is that it's tranquil. It's a historical city. It's not nearly as populated as Ecuador's other well-known cities of Quito and Guayaquil, which makes it for a more relaxed pace of life.
Whether you are walking through the historic center or along the rivers that run through the city, the pace is easygoing, which makes it a lot more enjoyable to explore.
And it's this spirit of tranquility is also felt by locals who are warm and welcoming. Vendors are typically not aggressive, and in general, it feels very peaceful and safe there.
The next thing we love about Cuenca is the climate and geography.
So Cuenca is near the equator, and at an elevation of over 8,000 feet, the area is often known as the Eternal Spring for its year-round mild temperatures and usually sunny climate.
This makes it a great place to visit year-round. Another reason why we love visiting Cuenca is how walkable the city is.
While there are some stairs and hills, if you stay near the historic center, you can easily walk to markets, attractions, or just get some exercise by walking or biking along the river.
Cuenca also has a fairly reliable bus and light rail system to explore outside the town center.
Ecuador doesn't make any list as a foodie destination, but we really enjoy the cuisine overall. The best way to describe it is it's comforting and not flashy.
We love so many restaurants serve a menu of the day, often at lunch, called almuerzos.
This is often a 3-course meal with a super salad starter, an entree, and a small dessert or juice.
And the cost for this multi-course meal? Usually around $3 per person.
Talk about a deal.
Additional things to try are the tropical fruits, baked pastries, and anything related to pork.
Speaking of value, affordability is also another reason why Cuenca and Ecuador in general should be on your travel list.
The only exception to this is if you're planning to visit the Galapagos Islands. That is a lot more expensive. So, Cuenca's airport currently only does domestic flights, so you'll need to fly into either Quito or Guayaquil. We recommend taking the 1-hour flight to Cuenca, though we've also taken a bus ride through the Andes from Quito. It was beautiful, but it's a very long, curvy ride on mountain roads, so it takes about 10 hours.
Finally, here are 3 things we absolutely recommend you do if you visit Cuenca, in addition to finding restaurants that also serve almuerzos.
If you do nothing else, wander the UNESCO World Heritage Centro area of Cuenca to see the cathedral and the river Tomebamba.
Second, if possible, try to time your trip to visit during a festival or holiday celebration such as Easter, Carnival, or Christmas. It's a memorable cultural experience.
Third, visit the Puma Pungo Museum. It's free to enter, and in addition to cultural heritage displays inside, there's an incredible park outside with archaeological ruins from the Cañari people and a bird sanctuary.
Cuenca is one of those hidden gems that we can only hope will stay beautiful, welcoming, and full of authentic local culture. If you get to visit, we hope you'll love it as much as we do.